Did you know that the world's oldest recognized civilization took root in India? Yes, indeed, the Indus Valley Civilization, an urban culture of ancient India, sprang to life around 5,000 years ago. So, buckle up as we embark on an exciting journey through the past, diving deep into the fascinating history of India. In the Bronze Age, the Indus Valley Civilization flourished, boasting sophisticated cities like Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. These cities were meticulously planned with advanced drainage systems, multi-storied houses, and even communal baths, showcasing an impressive understanding of urban planning and sanitation. As we move forward, we encounter the Vedic period, marked by oral traditions and the composition of the sacred texts known as the Vedas. This era saw the emergence of societal divisions, or the caste system, which continues to influence Indian society to this day. Fast forward to the Mauryan Empire of the 3rd century BCE. This was India's first large-scale empire under the leadership of the renowned Emperor Ashoka. His reign was notable for his adoption of Buddhism and the propagation of its principles throughout his empire and beyond. Next, we arrive at the golden age of Indian history, the Gupta Empire. This period was marked by significant advancements in science, technology, engineering, art, dialectic, literature, logic, mathematics, astronomy, religion, and philosophy. The concept of zero and the decimal system were developed during this time, shaping mathematical thought worldwide. The medieval period in India was characterized by the rise and fall of powerful dynasties such as the Delhi Sultanate, Vijayanagara Empire, and the Mughal Empire. It was a time of magnificent architectural developments, with structures like the Taj Mahal, Qutub Minar, and Hampi ruins standing as testaments to this era's grandeur. Then came the British colonial rule, a period marked by oppression, resistance, and the struggle for freedom. This era, though painful, also brought about modern reforms and laid the foundation for a democratic India. The non-violent resistance led by Mahatma Gandhi and the sacrifice of numerous freedom fighters eventually culminated in India's independence on August 15, 1947. Post-independence, India has grown and evolved into a democratic republic, overcoming numerous challenges and making significant strides in various fields. From being a food deficit country to becoming a space power, India's journey has been nothing short of remarkable. So, in a nutshell, India's history is a rich tapestry, woven with threads of cultural, scientific, and philosophical advancements, periods of grandeur, struggle, resilience, and progress. From the ancient Indus Valley civilization to the vibrant democratic republic it is today, India's history is a testament to the resilience and spirit of its people. It's a captivating tale that continues to unfold, shaping the world in countless ways.